Hey y'all, it's Chimdi. So I'm here in Joshua Tree. This is my first time being in this part of California. I'm so excited. To me, Joshua Tree is a very quintessential part of California, and if you live in LA, at some point you gotta be like, you know what, I just need to take a break from it all. I just need to go to Joshua Tree. And now I understand what that means, because Joshua Tree, y'all, is gorgeous. The sky alone, the mountains, the actual Joshua trees, which refers to an actual kind of tree, which I did not realize, and I know that now. So beautiful, absolutely love it, strongly recommend, 10 out of 10. So I'm gonna show you all my Airbnb. Let's just hang out here in Joshua Tree for a little bit. Wow, this is beautiful. What a beautiful view to see every day.
Yeah.
So tranquil.
Just get here.
Just today.
Because it snowed yesterday.
Oh, shoot.
You really feel the desert time too. Like when the sun sets, you get tired right away. Oh, you have hard hiking, and then if you're coming out as the sun is going down. I don't know, there's just like a deeper connection with nature. I feel seasons out here too. You know, because I grew up in San Diego, and it's just one. It's pretty fun. Yeah, all year round. And I baked this morning.
Thank you for sharing.
Oh, you can appreciate it even more.
Yeah.
Knowing how much hard work goes into it.
Minimal caffeine. It's fermented. It's been sitting for like 12 years.
Wow.
And plus you'll notice she's doing quick steeps. Where are you from?
I'm from Maryland.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I was born in Silver Spring, lived in Baltimore, and then I was in College Park for a bit, then back to Silver Spring, and then I did this travel program for a year with Helen. We did 12 countries plus over the course of a year.
Wow.
Yeah.
What, is that how you two met?
Yeah.
Like abroad?
Yeah, it is abroad.
You met in Lisbon,
Yeah.
Portugal.
Oh,
So
beautiful
usually when
city.
you're ready for tea, you just place back in the center.
Oh, yes.
Oh, there's etiquette. Yeah.
Well, when you have dim sum, you do this for them to pour onto tea.
Oh, that's not a thank you?
No, it's
As a request?
yeah.
Oh.
And as they're pouring, oh, I don't know, maybe it's both.
Also
And then as
tea.
they're pouring, yeah, and then
Have you heard the story behind that? One of my Chinese.
It was Ziggy.
Ziggy?
He started.
okay, yeah.
He said it came about because an emperor at the time, long time ago, liked to go to the tea houses, but the royalty didn't want him going, so he would go in disguise to the tea house.
Right.
And one day he was there drinking tea, and one of the palace guards recognized him and was about to bow. And he's like, because he didn't want him to, why is he bowing to him? So he went like this, but the guard felt bad and wanted to do something, so he went like this. That's the story our friend told us. As we drink a 34-year-old oolong tea.
Oh, wow.
I love
Good
oolong
tea. I love good tea.
How old are they?
Yeah. From the 20s.
Wow, holy shit, the first time. Do you know their journey?
So my mom was born in Tianjin, China. So that's where they were. Then they left there and they went to Hawaii in the early 40s.
Oh.
And then just before Pearl Harbor,
Yeah.
they got shipped out because my mom's dad was in the military. And they went to San Diego.
We're driving through the national park, and it actually from one entrance to the exit is 45 minutes, which Chimdi pointed out.
That's from DC to Baltimore, 45 minutes. And that's just a park in California. That's just a park, that's not even a city, in the state of California.
And there's 2 more national parks. Actually 4, Death Valley counts as one, right?
Is that considered Vegas?
No, so 3 national parks we know of. Here,
That's Trish, she didn't want to be on camera, but we're still gonna call her out. I'm gonna still insert footage of her so I know what she looks like.
This is her right here.
easy. That's crazy. And then there's a log inside. And the paper is flammable. Wow. I'm just like blown away that life can actually be this easy.
I don't know if you guys want wine.
Yeah, of course.
I can open up the wine.
I want to hear the answer though. So like what y'all thought of 6th grade versions of each other?
She was really nice.
They're
Always happy.
Oh, that has not changed, I feel.
I can't remember like the first day we met. We're trying to pinpoint exactly. No, I can't.
And we used to be a group of 4 friends.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
What was her name? Lynette Lizette?
I don't remember.
I remember like coming across that idea a few years ago and it really stuck with me that like at some point it's gonna be the last time you hang out with somebody, but you won't know.
Right.
Yeah.
But you don't know.
Yeah.
You don't.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like happens and then you're done.
That's it.
Life happens.
Life happens.
What would you say each of your relationships taught you?
Don't ever believe that there's nothing more for you.
That's the vlog, y'all. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.